Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to create spreadsheet on your mobile phone. So the first thing you have to do, you need to go into your drive, and after that you just need to make sure that you already logged in with the correct account over here. Whenever you did it, you just need to go click this plus button, and in this plus button there will be like a lot of options that you can create here. You can create a new folder, you can create the Google Docs, Google Spreadsheet, or Google Slides. If you want to create a spreadsheet, you just need to go click this part, the Google Sheets, and after that you just need to click it to open it, and there will be generate you into your Google Spreadsheets application. And after that you just need to decide or prepare the name of the file that you want to create. For example, work 3, and after that you just need to go click create. And now we already have the active documents, a blank documents that are ready to work with, and you just need to start to typing or adding the information inside of this spreadsheets document. So that's the way how to create spreadsheet on a iPhone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video. Bye bye.